for you to be erased from my mind, that the sad broken love will be left far behind. As the time goes by, let it fade. Just a numb heart remains in